approach to a second severe thunderstorm moving into Rockingham County. Going to intercept it around McGaheysville, Port Republic area. This is going to bring extremely heavy rainfall, and there's already extremely frequent lightning being produced in this. Through the nighttime hours, we're going to be seeing 3 to 4 more rounds of either severe thunderstorms, strong thunderstorms capable of producing very heavy rainfall, possibly heavier than what we're already experiencing. And this is going to create a very dangerous flash flood threat into the night. Flash flood warnings are going to be constant into the evening and nighttime hours, and I would not rule out flash flood emergencies. If you live in low-lying areas, this might be the time to start getting your things together in plastic bags and prepare an evacuation route if you end up having to. You don't want to be caught in that as it is occurring. Always remember, if you come up on a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. Try not to be on the road as these systems move in. We have numerous trees down here in Grottoes, Virginia. This is right at the entrance of Grand Caverns Park. A large tree is across the roadway. Police are blocking the area. You will not be able to access this road. I'll get the name of it here before I post this video. You guys be safe out there. There will be branches and stuff on the road. You could lose your tires if you try to go through it too fast or ever try to cross a road where debris is lying upon. So be safe out there, guys. These first responders, though, have it under control.